After extensive use, a battery reaches the end of its life. These disposed-of batteries are recycled and made into new batteries. They go through a collection process that discharges the remaining energy, are dismantled and broken down, separated according to type, and finally are recycled via powder processing. Among these processes, discharging is vital in the recycling of disposed-of batteries. Discharging batteries with salt solutions, which is the process most battery recycling companies use, involves placing batteries in a tank filled with salt water. Discharging batteries in this way takes a long time and causes environmental pollution problems. Additionally, there is a risk of safety accidents during the process of disassembling the disposed-of batteries. There is an alternative to discharging used batteries faster and safer than via salt solution. It's ODA's new LF Series Discharger. The LF Series shortens the processing time required for full discharge. In addition, it is safe, as no hazardous substances like heavy metals or electrolytes are generated during the discharge process, and the discharge process can be completed without destroying or disassembling the battery. You can check the status of the battery during discharge, and it also allows for the ability to record or manage various pieces of data from the process. ODA's technology for analyzing the residual value of batteries and its discharge technology, which provides options in the battery recycling process, will become an essential alternative to battery utilization in our rapidly evolving world. Core partner for the future, ODA.